Good day mga Kalapatids. Another day, another pigeon. But for this video, no pigeons this time. So I went to Parkmall yesterday for the first day of their Pet Festival 2025. The event runs from May 25th to 31st. And as always, okay, I had to drop by to check out all the different pets and animals. So, nakaka-miss lang talaga yung mga panahong nagdi-display pa tayo dito. Kami ng mga kagrupo ko, lalo na yung ipinapakita natin yung mga fancy pigeons namin. Okay? So, sobrang saya ng ganitong event, lalo na para sa mga pet lovers. Iba't ibang pets ang mga nandito. Ito yung mga ball pythons, okay, yung mga exotic na mga pets nandito rin. Okay, yung mga ball pythons, sugar glider, and yeah, lizard also. May mga iguanas nandito. Okay, na diba ibang klase ng mga lizards.
Sa mga treats favorites.
May display din silang parrots at Sulcata turtles. Sobrang cute talaga and interesting nila. Okay. And of course, hindi nawawala yung mga lovebirds. So, always talaga silang nagdi-display nung una pa. And yung mga cute na mga hamsters din, of course, di nawawala yan. So, ito yung parang sikat sa mga bata, itong mga hamsters. Okay, and then, aside from they are displaying, nagbibenta din sila ng mga pets. And di nawawala yung mga dogs, itong mga poodles, mga cute na poodles, nandun din naka-display. And good news, nandun din ng ERU or Island Rescue Organization where you can donate and even adopt rescue dogs. So let's support local. Let's support local rescues and give this cute dogs, okay, a second chance at life, okay? Ang cute nila and ang babait pa. So, it's your chance if you have time. You can visit there, and if you want to adopt, you can adopt their dogs, okay? And yeah, more birds, more lovebirds dito. Then meron din silang like birds na pwede nyong hawakan or pwede kayong magpa-picture yung mga tamed birds nila. So, yeah, of course, nagbebenta din sila ng mga birds, mga lovebirds. If you are looking for lovebirds, you can visit Parkmall. Okay? May pet education din sila. Nagbibigay sila ng advice about pet adoption at iba pa. You can also ask questions about pets. Okay?
So for the 6-in-1, we covers coming December.
Present din ang Cebu Enthusiastic Hamster Keepers. Nagbibenta sila ng hamster needs at nagsishare din ng tips and knowledge about hamster keeping. Super informative talaga. Okay? At syempre, nandito din si Lalay. Hey, ayaw Lay. So, isa sa mga standout sa display. So again, if you have time, make sure to visit Parkmall The event is until May 31st and marami kang matutunan at makikita dito na pets of all kinds. So hanggang sa susunod na video mga kalapatids, ingat kayo palagi. Salamat!